The Galaxy S24 Ultra's appearance at Thai regulators suggests an imminent launch. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra's existence has been confirmed early by the MBTC, Thailand's equivalent of the FCC for ensuring devices can be legally sold in the country. A regulatory listing clearly shows the name Galaxy S24 Ultra and its model number of SMS928B/DS. Unfortunately, beyond confirming the phone will support 5G connectivity, the listing doesn't tell us anything else interesting. When certifications like this start appearing, that's a strong sign of a phone's incoming launch. And the S24 series is apparently debuting on January 17 next year, so it makes sense that Samsung started sending out samples to regulators to ensure it can start selling phones as soon as possible. Looking to other rumors, it sounds like Samsung will be putting a lot of emphasis on AI abilities of the Galaxy S24 series, no doubt trying to steal some of the Google Pixel 8's thunder. In fact, some sources are claiming the S24 series will be branded as an AI phone, something we've not seen Samsung try before. Besides that, we've also heard the Galaxy S24 Ultra could feature titanium sides, a 144Hz display refresh rate, and a reworked telephoto camera. We will likely also see several other features similar to the Galaxy S23 Ultra, like a 200MP main camera and a 6.8-inch body. For US users, the Galaxy S24 should follow the Galaxy S23 in using a Snapdragon chipset, presumably the recently announced Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. However, the rest of the world may instead get an Exynos 2400 chip made by Samsung instead, which could mean performance differences depending on where you buy your S24. If we are getting a Galaxy S24 series launch in January, then expect further evidence of these phones' existence to emerge from national regulators in the near future. Plus, we hope some more rumors on other features we can expect to try out when we finally get our hands on the new devices. Do you believe Samsung's strategic move towards branding it as an AI phone will effectively challenge and surpass the competition, especially considering the rumored similarities to the Google Pixel 8? What specific AI features would you hope to see in the Galaxy S24 series that could set it apart in the fiercely competitive smartphone market? Do let us know in the comment section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.